Welcome back to class 2 of our Figma UX design tutorial series. In the last session, we covered frame tool, pen tool and shape tool. Today we are focusing on properties panel where you customize and fine tune your design elements. This is where your wireframes start looking like real UI. First, what is properties panel? The properties panel is located on right side of your Figma workspace. It changes based on what you selected like text or shape, frames, etc. Think of it as your design control center where you adjust the size, color, layout and more. It's one of the most powerful features in Figma. Properties panels have more options. Let's see one by one. First, start by selecting the frame tool from bottom bar or press F on your keyboard. Click and drag to draw a frame. This will act as your screen or workspace. Once the frame is selected, look to the right side of your screen. This is the properties panel. It allows you to style and customize your design elements. Now let's start with fill section in the properties panel. Go to right hand side of your screen and find the fill section. Click on the color box. This will open up the fill settings. Select the solid color. Here you can pick any colors using the color picker. You can also enter X code if you want the specific color. This adds a solid background to your shape or frame. Now try the gradient option. Click the gradient button. You will see handles appear on the canvas. Use this to adjust the direction and colors of your gradient. This section you can add multiple colors in the shapes. This is useful for creating soft transition or depth in your designs. Next, choose the image. Click the image button. Click choose image to upload the photo or textures from your computer. This allows you to place the background images directly inside your shapes. You can also adjust the opacity or add multiple fills using the plus icon. That's how you add and customize solid colors, gradients and images in the fill section. Next, strokes. Again, create a shape. Below fill, you will find the stroke section. Click plus to add a border around your frame or shape. You can adjust the color, thickness and position inside, outside or centered, and also change the border color. Next, effects. Select the shape and go to the effect section and add effects. You can see the drop shadow begin the shape. You can also adjust the shadows color, blur and positioning XY basis. You can increase the blur amount. This is the drop shadow effect, and add also layer blur or inner shadow in the effect section. These effects help make your design look more polished and realistic. So in this class we explored the properties panel and learned how to use fill stroke effects. In the next class we will dive into layout settings, constraints and position. Thanks for watching and see you in the next class.